Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn app. To know how to fix or how to solve your LinkedIn, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of LinkedIn. When you'll find this page of app info, you click on force stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. Then you can go to your airplane mode and you can turn on. And as you see here, you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for watching.